Okay, let's do my Toyota TA drawing. This is going to be from the rear view as well. So this is from the foot reference I have. I haven't done it before, so why not? Let's just get this a bit more better position. Yeah, that's a bit better. So I'm using a 0.95 graphics pen, graphics pen. I've used fiber castels before, so it's a graphics pen, this one. So I'm just going to start off with the spoiler, but you can start wherever you want. I just start on this here. Okay, just a few lines there. Let's do the rear lights now. There we are. Then we'll bring this down. And then we've got a little steel bumper. And this is where the license plate will go. Little toll hook here. This is where the exhaust will go. Bring this around. Then bring the rear wheel arch around. And this is the rear wheel. And then the front wheel arch. There's like a little strip going down. Then let's do the top window going up. Then bring this down. There we are, so that's a shape done. Then for the rear window, then we'll bring this down for the window. Got a little side mirror there. Now we can bring the door up with the handle. Okay, that's looking good. Let's do a nice thin wheel. There we are. Then just do a line on the inside. Okay, so I'm happy with the outlines I've got now. That was a quick 5 minutes, so let's get me some more dark lines in there. So I'm just doing the lowest sections of all these different lines, leaving the top line, especially for a steel bumper, actually a second line across. There we are. go. Then that's just for the wheels. Then bring this across. Okay. So it's just another shadow, just this lower section. Okay, I'm happy with that. I want to do a bit of colour for this. So let's add a bit more. Let's continue with pink colour. Let's get a bit of another kind of pink. Just some of these lower sections. Okay, I want a bit of grey in there. Should I have grey? Maybe it's too. Yeah, it's just for the wheels. Then let's do a bit of red now. Just add the TA17 at the top. Colour this in. Okay, I want to add a bit of white highlights on this. Maybe I'll do a bit of white on this edge. Okay, I'll leave it at that, guys. This has been my Toyota TA17. Hope you enjoyed this drawing, guys, and thanks very much for watching.